Hey everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and I found some awesome Valentine's Day stuff for you guys looking for neat things. And right here I have flocked teddy bears and hearts. This heart's huge. Put my hand up here. This is $9.98. They only have this in pink, and they have these flocked teddy bears with hearts. Here's purple and pink, pink and white, blue and pink, and there's red and white, and these are $8.86. They have the smaller ones too for 54 cents. Isn't that cute? There's a Be Mine heart, and there's a big red heart with made of pom-poms. You can see how big it is. This one's $14.98. You can hang this on your door to get ready for somebody coming to visit you. Here's an awesome sign. It says love, and it's $14.98. Feels like it's made of wood. It says ILYSM. I think it's I love you so much. Isn't that cute? And they have it in, this one says you plus me. Ooh la la. True love. These are $2.44. I see some ribbon here. It's not in the right place. $3.48. They have some window clings. Whoops, I just knocked something on the floor. Pick that up. There's some hearts you can stick into flower arrangements. And these are only 98 cents. They have it in pink and red. Here's some more clings. Oh, look at this sign. So this is made out of tinsel. It's $6.98. You can see how big it is. It says Happy Valentine's Day with glitter. I'm looking for neat stuff. They have the Ooh La La pillow for $5.98. Roses. Here's hearts on a stand. They have tinsel hearts for $4.98. This is all the stuff for like paper plates and napkins, cupcake holders. This is for candy. Here's a little candy thing, and it has hearts, roses, and still hearts, but with a crumply side. I don't know if that's the right word for it. Let's see. What is this? Valentine's cards. They have a giant monkey. They have party favors. So you have a big party for the kids or something. They have bouncing putty. And here's a pack of squishy animals. There's a pack of clear cars. These are, says $2.98. Monster pop-ups. This is $2.98. You get 6. These are erasers. You get 12 for $1.98. We have plastic dinosaurs. You get 8 for $1.98. They have little miniature. These are pencil sharpeners. 12 for $1.98. These are party favors now. So you get a, what is this? 4 pieces. This is bounce balls, and they're really neat looking. They look like a crumpled up bunch of gummy worms, really. Oh, what is this one? Squishy hearts. You get 4 for $2.98. And so let me hold on to this better. I'm by myself. Robbie's decided to sleep today. Here you get 8 pieces of stampers. It says, I really like you, I'm wild about you, you're dynamite, you octopus, my heart, I like you cherry much, I get a nick out of you, you're amazing, you make me happy. Here's foodie erasers. A hot dog, milkshake, french fries, hamburger, pizza, and soda. And it's 6 for $1.98. But this feels like erasers. 12 erasers for $1.98. See what other party favors they have. What's this? Valentine's heart bubbles. Oh, you get 12 for $2.98, and you blow heart bubbles. How awesome! Okay, what's up here? Oh man, these are so fun. This one, oh, it lights up. It's got a lighty ball in there. So guys, I hope you understand about my shaky videos. Thank you for watching my videos. I did last night, I ordered a new gimbal, and hopefully it'll help with the shakiness. These are little monsters for $2.98. Let's see what other colors they have. Oh, here's a heart that lights up for $2.98. They have a, what is this? Oh, it's so squishy. It looks like a dinosaur donut. Yep. And this one's $2.98. They have a pink. Oh, that's a kitty. Here's a kitty donut for $2.98. I like those. I like the way they feel. What is this? So we have a weenie dog for $2.98. I hope I can find some other stuff in here. Those are really squishy. They have the pink. Oh, this is a cat. A pink cat for $2.98. All right, and they got all the heart squishies. I showed you guys this on another video. I'll link it. Look at that giant lobster. I'll link it. But let's see what else they have since I've been here last. Lots of candy. I like these ring pops. You get 3 ring pops for $1.24. At the other store, I think they had them, they were hearts. Look at that, $1 million heart chocolate bars. Let's see if I can, oh look, a giant kiss. Here's a smaller one. And then here's a big chocolate kiss in there. They have it in pink and red. And those are $4.38, and the small ones $1.44. Let's see, lots of hearts. Here's a Sour Patch Kids with a plush on the front. That's really cute. And they have these with animals on the front. Here's a Kit Kat giant mug. This is too big to be a coffee mug that has candy and a teddy bear for $10.98. Lots of candy. And these giant plush Valentine's Day animals. So here's an octopus upside down. Do they have a face? Oh, it has a little bit of hair on top. That's so funny. Blue eyes. This one's $25. And they have a giant panda right here. $25. The sign says $50, but there are $50 animals. Here's one. Isn't that cute? It's a giant animal that lays on your bed. Here's a giant Dalmatian with a rose in his mouth, blue sparkly eyes, This one's probably 50. It's so big. Oh, look, it sits up. Let's see if I can find a price. Yeah, $50 for that one. And over here, holy cow, they got a giant pink gorilla. Oh, I love it. Let's see if I can get a better look. So, find a price on this. $40 for this giant pink gorilla. Isn't that adorable? Okay. Now, let's see what this thing is. What is that? I gotta, hold on, it's $25. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit the camera. Oh, it's, okay. It is a pink flamingo. A giant pink flamingo. Here's, I think this is gonna be an octopus. What is this? It doesn't say what it is, but it's either a dog or a fox. Is that a fox? It's $25. Here's a giant white bear. I can't lift it, it's so heavy. And it's holding a heart that says love. And trying to find a price on this one. $50 for the big one. They have a monkey. There's his face. It's huge. It's $40. And I think the Squishable's in the wrong spot. And then over here they have giant teddy bears for $35. And it's too hard to lift. They have like a rose-colored one and a tan one. Let's see if anything else is over here. No. All right. Just teddy bears. Teddy bears. Candy. Tons of great stuff. Rice Krispies. This is for Valentine's Day. It says writable papers. Oh, they're in little pink wrappers, so you can give them out. Starburst Valentine Exchange for $3.94. There's cherry blow pops for $3.94. Bubble gum filled pops. Here's Love Puffs, heart-shaped, filled with marshmallows. And they have these Smarties. I don't think a lot of people like those, do they? Here's some DUMS. Oh, look, gummy bands. You wear them on your wrist and then you can eat them, right? There's more gummy bands. Oh, look, they have Starburst pops. Lollipop with fruit chew inside. These are $7.94. No, they're in the wrong spot. I don't know how much those are. Okay, guys. Here's some Rolos. They really get in my teeth. I'm at the Walmart in Florida, and I guess I'll